In this particular lesson, we will thoroughly learn precisely how to effectively restart or completely turn off your Apple iPhone device simply by pressing a specific, easily accessible button that is conveniently found right inside all modern iPhones. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So, to begin, you will go directly to the default settings application, which is conveniently found on all iPhones. Proceed to open it as you normally would. Then, carefully scroll down a little bit until you are able to locate the option that is clearly labeled General. Tap on this option and then continue to scroll all the way down the screen until you ultimately find the option that is specifically labeled Shutdown. Antas ostetandeit ars. Now, we will go ahead and tap on it. After that, this screen will appear for you. You simply swipe your finger from the left side to the right side of the screen just like this, and the mobile phone will then completely turn off, as you can clearly see. Now, using the physical side buttons located on the phone's body, gently press and hold down the power button for a moment, exactly like this, as you can observe. And the phone will restart smoothly and efficiently. However, on some specific phones, the restart button might not readily appear within the phone's interface or operating system. If you want to restart your device or completely turn off the phone, you can simply and easily do it using only the physical side buttons of the phone. Sidebar. So, to begin, you will press the volume up button just once, and then immediately after, you will press the volume down button just once. After that, you will need to press and then hold down this specific button for a moment to either restart the device or completely turn on the phone. Now, let's proceed to try this out. And as you can clearly see, after performing that action, this particular interface will subsequently appear exactly as we initially observed it the very first time. Furthermore, you also have the option to completely turn off the phone in precisely this manner, as you can readily observe. And finally, you can turn it back on from this spot. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The playlist contains some iPhone tutorials where you'll find important guides that you'll like and benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.